Well, hello guys! Welcome back! And ayan, naka full on makeup glam tayo kasi katatapos ko lang gumawa ng makeup tutorial. And you can watch the makeup tutorial sa separate video. Baka mauna tong i-upload ko. So guys, let's go ahead and do a product review for Makeup Revolution. Magre-review tayo ng Makeup Revolution product, and this is their luxury baking or setting powder. Ayan siya. Ayan. Nabili ko ito mga ka-beauties because I'm running out with my favorite Pants Magic BB powder. Ito yun. And dahil sa pandemic, hanggang ngayon hindi pa dumarating yung aking order from Thailand. So, ito na muna yung binili ko kasi ito yung meron doon at ito yung nagustuhan ko. And another reason guys, kaya ako nagmadaling bumili ng powder dahil magsa-summer na dito sa Israel and sobrang init. And today and this week, as in this week, whole week is heat wave. Kailangan ko ng setting powder or baking powder kasi napaka-oily ng face ko kapag summer. As in, napakadali niyang mag-oil up, especially sa my T-zone. Guys, so as you can see, the product is packaged in this mini jar, which I don't mind kahit ganito yung tsura niya. It's not so convenient. Yan. And hindi siya cute. It has 42 grams of the baking powder product. Naka-sealed siya with the sticker. Natapon ko na. Ayan. Meron din siyang sieve para maiwasan na mag-clump yung powder o di kaya yung mabuhos siya kapag gagamitin mo. So, let's take a look at the product. Ayan siya. It has this yellowish tint. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Pero ang kinaganda ng tint niya is it gives warmth sa skin. And very fine yung kanyang powder. Very fine, very silky soft. It doesn't have any scent at all. Look at how it makes my skin so flawless, so silky smooth. The shade na nakuha ko is in banana and it's just perfect for my skin. What I like most about this product is it mattifies my skin and nakakapagbigay din siya ng konting coverage. So nagiging super kinis ng skin. It's very smooth and very soft na napakadali niyang i-apply and tumatagal talaga siya. This product is cruelty-free and it's vegan. Okay mga ka-beauties, so that's it for a review for the luxury baking powder from Makeup Revolution. And do comment down below guys kung ano yung ginagamit nyo ang pang-bake or pang-setting powder. For those of you na hindi pa nakasubscribe sa akin, please do make me feel awesome by clicking the subscribe button, also the notification bell para lagi kayong updated kapag may bago akong uploads. Thank you for watching again. See you on my next video.